I look whooped. What's up with y'all? Denzelifornia. About to debadge my car. I'm using my phone, so bear with me because I don't feel like charging my camera. I'm about to take all this off. That's all finna go. What I was gonna do is put my name, because Dodge, my name's Denzel. So it said Denzel on the back, but I'm gonna just treat it like the president. Get it out of here. What I'm gonna do, I got this heat gun from Monica. Hold on, that's my keys. Heat gun, ooh. I got this heat gun from Monica. That's some of my beard breath. But yeah, I got this toolie from Monica. You feel me? She let me use it last time. So shout out Monica. And I have this fishing wire from when I took charger off of my car, because it didn't say XXT on it for whatever reason. Because the dealership in San Leandro is trash, terrible customer service. I was just there today. Fuck y'all. But shout out the free oil change. But we're gonna get to it. It's pretty dark, so I'm gonna just scoop my car up. And then we're gonna be in the sun. Hi, Tiny. I don't remember how I did it, but I don't remember if I cleaned it or not last time, but I'm just gonna clean it after with alcohol swabs. And here we go. I may not even need this. Let me see if I could just do it without the heat gun. Since I'm not even keeping them. I don't even need the heat gun. So yeah, I could just peel it off like that. easy money. All right. Oh yeah, I did not need that heat gun. All right, so got them all off. I'm gonna just scratch all this off. Definitely don't got no nails, so. And I'm gonna get the rest with an alcohol swab or swabs. I just gotta find them because I used them like last week. I don't remember where I put them. So now I'm gonna get the alcohol swabs, wipes, and wipe it off. So I'll be back. I don't remember where I put my, I need to stop saying so. I don't remember where I put my alcohol wipes at, so use the rest of this. Don't try this at home because I never do it the way you're supposed to. And this towel to get all up in there. Oh, this is easy money. Easy money. Easy money. Still works the same way. It's for sensitive skin, so clearly we ain't got pizza face no more over here. Oh yeah. I hope I didn't just ruin it. So I'm going to clean it with soap and water on a towel, different towel, so it can pop a little bit more. I'm just going to wipe the whole thing. Like I said, don't do nothing that I'm doing at all. Because this is not the proper way to do things. But I never do things you're supposed to do it in that way. Yeah, you can see where they put it at. And this is a microfiber towel. It must have been on. Now I gotta figure out a way to get all that off. Bro, it's hella scratches right there. I don't know what I did. That's mania. What do I need, like polish? I don't know. But the letters is gone. Fam. Oh, that may have been the heat. I told you, don't do nothing I do. At all. So I got it done, but it looks like I scratched it. So now I gotta figure out a way to get that off. But this video is done. I'm gonna just go in real quick. It is debadged. But I ain't even gonna hold you. I don't know if you can see it. Them little scratches, I gotta figure out a way to get that off. But other than that, it look better. Like I always tell you, my car is not perfect. I do everything myself. So if I fuck up now, I'm just gonna fix it later. And 9 out of 10, I won't make a fix it video. So I use some different cleaner. And I mean, it don't look as bad. Even though I'm using the front camera. But it does look way more shinier. And clearly I cleaned the top of that. So yeah, man, holla at your boy. Like, subscribe, dislike, hate in the comments. Whatever to get my algorithm popping. Next video.